Hello friends, welcome to my channel and welcome to this video. Today I am going to prepare a yummy and delicious fish fry recipe. So let's wait and watch. Here I have taken 600 grams of katla fishes. I have washed and then marinated with some salt and turmeric powder. So here first marination is done. Let's do second marination. Take a plate. Add some salt, turmeric powder, Kashmiri red chili powder, fish masala, coriander powder, ginger garlic paste, some oil, corn flour and few lemon drops. Mix them nicely using hand and then coat all the fish pieces. Second marination is completed. So now fish is ready to fry. Heat a pan, add some oil and then add the fish pieces to fry. Fry the fish in low to medium flame. After some time, flip it and fry the other side as well. Fry the fish on both sides until golden brown color, and here fish fry is ready to serve. Transfer to a plate and enjoy while it is hot. And here fish fry is ready to serve. Thanks for watching.